sending my greetings from our HQ. Myself, my name is Olatai Badipo Ajayi, the regional manager for West Africa at Infobip. And I have with me Philip. Philip is our sales director for Africa. And I also have with me Marina. Marina is our chapter lead for West Africa, for Africa basically, yes. And we are all having this call from the head office.
Good morning. So my name is Bola National. So I have here with me my colleagues that spearhead the distribution channels. I don't know whether we should go around to just introduce, but we walk through primarily 8 digital distribution channels. That's namely the mobile, the USSD, the credit card, the debit card. We also have the ATM. We have the Access Pay, the Primus Plus, as well as recently the remittances. Here, I think I have the leaders, and also in addition, we have our colleagues from our customer experience and most especially retail marketing. So why this is important is for just basic things. We are trying to transform ourselves from banking as a service to banking as a lifestyle. We are currently in a very interesting red ocean where we have 65 million odd customers. We have just 16% of them active status.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Me too.
My name is Chukwe, and I have team lead for remittances.
Let's speak up so people online can hear you better.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Uche Naokoro. Work through mobile banking.
Yes, I'm Victor Jacob, and I sit on strategy and project desk.
Okay, once again, I'm Bola National. I lead electronic businesses.
My name is Goodness Adebeku. I'm a team member of the mobile banking. I'm Oladipo Oluwadanola, team member of mobile banking.
My name is Mary King. I work with the strategy and project desk. Adebola Joseph from CXOP for retail banking.
Oladiji Adibayemi, leading Jukat products.
Aminatola today, I oversee the remittances.
Florence Owor, I oversee the card business.
Olaimi Ibade, I oversee retail communications.
Sunday Olufemi, I lead mobile banking. Yeah, my name is Babatola John. I lead the USA.
Mayor, there's a digital product.
Eastern Bloc is very, very interesting because of what M-Pesa has done there. They're controlling the GDP in that country 60%.